Looking for power without the noise? Our guide to the best quiet impact wrenches highlights top tools that deliver strong torque while keeping decibels low. Perfect for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who wants efficient work without disturbing the neighbors. Starting at number 1. Ingersoll Rand 2135 QXPA Impact Wrench. Experience exceptional performance and control with the Ingersoll Rand 2135 QXPA Impact Wrench. This wrench delivers up to 1,100 feet per lbs of nut-busting torque with its patented quiet tool technology that reduces sound levels without compromising best-in-class power performance. It is lightweight, weighing only 4 pounds, minimizing hand fatigue, and comes with a one-handed forward/reverse mechanism that lets you change direction with a simple button push. Whether you operate an auto garage or construction job site, you can rely on the 2135 QXPA Impact Wrench to perform reliably in harsh working conditions. What we like: packs an impressive punch with 1,100 feet per lbs of nut-busting torque. Patented quiet tool technology reduces sound levels without compromising power performance. Weighs only 4 pounds, minimizing hand fatigue and allowing you to work harder and faster. One-handed forward/reverse mechanism lets you change direction with a simple button push. Dependable operation in harsh working conditions, perfect for auto garages or construction job sites. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand 36 QMax 1/2 Air Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand 36 QMax Ultra Compact 1/2-inch impact wrench is a top-performing tool designed for heavy-duty assembly and disassembly tasks, suspension work, and industrial equipment repair. It delivers up to 640 ft-lbs of nut-busting torque while being ultra-compact and lightweight, minimizing hand fatigue and maximizing user comfort. The 3-mode power regulator and one-handed forward and reverse push button provide superior control and adjustability. Made from titanium hammer case and rugged composite housing, this impact wrench is highly durable and reliable, lasting 2x longer than competitor products. What we like: powerful and efficient, delivering up to 640 ft-lbs of nut-busting torque. Ultra-compact and lightweight design, offering the best power-to-weight ratio in its Class 3-mode power regulator and one-handed forward and reverse push button for superior control and adjustability. Durable and reliable, lasting 2x longer than competitor products. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand 2115 QTMAX 3/8 Drive Air Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand 2115 QTMAX 3/8 Drive Air Impact Wrench is a powerful, lightweight tool that delivers best-in-class performance for professional auto/truck repair work. It features quiet tool technology, reducing sound levels without compromising power performance. The tool measures less than 6 inches in length and weighs less than 2.5 pounds, allowing greater access to tight spaces and minimizing operator fatigue. The feather touch trigger and 4-position power regulator provide maximum control, and the durable titanium hammer case and steel wear plate protect the tool from harsh environments and repeated drops. The 2115 QTMAX delivers up to 300 ft-lbs of torque in the reverse position, making it perfect for heavy-duty assembly and disassembly applications, suspension work, and industrial equipment repair. What we like: compact and lightweight design for easy handling and reduced operator fatigue. Powerful reverse torque output up to 300 ft-lbs for heavy-duty assembly and disassembly applications, suspension work, and industrial equipment repair. Quiet tool technology reduces sound levels caused by air pulsating through the 7-vane motor. Feather touch trigger and 4-position power regulator provide maximum control and easy operation. Titanium hammer case and steel wear plate protect the tool from harsh environments and repeated drops for long-lasting performance. Number 4. Ingersoll Rand 2236 Timax DXS2 Air Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand Impact Wrench is designed to give you powerful and versatile performance. Its patented drive exchange system lets you switch between different drives easily, so you can handle various tasks without hassle. The tool comes with interchangeable drive sizes, allowing you to work on different projects efficiently. Built tough, this impact wrench can withstand heavy use in harsh conditions, ensuring it lasts through demanding jobs. Plus, it's designed for quieter operation and easier maintenance, making your work more comfortable and the tool simpler to care for over time. What we like: versatile drive exchange system, interchangeable drive sizes, durable heavy-duty build, quiet operation, easy maintenance. Number 5. Ingersoll Rand 2146Q1 Max 3 Air Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand Air Impact Wrench offers powerful performance with its cold-forged twin hammer mechanism, delivering up to 2000 ft-lbs of torque to help you loosen even the toughest nuts quickly. Its durable steel hammer case is designed to handle drops in daily wear, so you can rely on it in demanding work environments. The tool also features a patented one-hand forward/reverse control and a sensitive trigger, giving you precise handling and ease of use. Plus, with Ingersoll Rand's quiet technology, it operates at a lower noise level, protecting your hearing without losing any power. This makes the Ingersoll Rand Air Impact Wrench a reliable and user-friendly choice for heavy-duty tasks. What we like: high torque output, durable steel hammer case, one-hand control, quiet operation technology.